Hello everyone, I am Atima from Team Byte Pipers and I'm going to walk you through the web app which we have built during this hackathon. Let's log in into the customer portal. As you can see, we have added this space here so that when we take a web app to production, we can run ads here from different vendors, and that can be one of the sources of income for our product. Now here listed are the different stores which are located near the user's house. Let's just visit one of them. The products which are listed by the vendors are displayed over here. So we are basically giving the users two options. Either they can either book a pickup slot to go to the store and pick up the item themselves, and they can also request home delivery. So let's just select the items and book a pickup slot. I'll fill in just some random name. As you can see, it says that the slot has been successfully booked. Now let's just also try to put in a delivery request. It says that the delivery request has been sent. Now let's just go over to the vendor portal, log in. If I go to the shop settings, here you can see the customer slot we just added, and here you can also see the delivery request. So we are giving the vendor the option to accept or decline the request according to his convenience. If I just here on the top, the vendor has the ability to select the active time and active days for his store. Now if I go to the main vendor portal, the vendor has the ability to add a new product. So let's just try to add one. So it says the product has been added. Now let's go to the user portal, and if I refresh, you can see the product has been added here. It also shows in the current listings of the vendor. The vendor has the ability to drop the price according to his convenience and needs. He can also just delete the item to remove something from the store. If I click on this, it says product has been deleted. It's removed from here, and if I go over to the user portal and refresh, it's gone from here too. We also have expenditure report and sales report for the user and the vendor respectively. So it's just going to take a while to generate the report. As you can see, the user can see his monthly expenditure here and keep a track of his expenses. And over here, the vendor can see his monthly sales report, and he can track his sales and profits. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.